This project is a collaboration between Codebots and UTS, the University Technology of Sydney. We had a big vision to create the world's first solution using artificial intelligence and document analysis technology to convert hand-drawn whiteboard sketches of business processes into a fully functioning prototype app without writing one line of code and in one meeting. BotVision has the potential to really transform the software development industry. You'll be able to create customised, cost-effective and agile business applications for small, medium or enterprise customers.
For businesses doing a digital transformation, there is a need for custom software so that they can stay competitive and align with their business processes. I would say this is especially important because of the fourth industrial revolution and the future of work.
So the BotVision project is really different because it allows human developer team and stakeholders to come together in a meeting, draw something up on a whiteboard. By the end of the meeting, they actually have a tangible prototype that they can user test. The way it does this is it takes that diagram, converts it into code, and you have this usable product. This saves so much time. As the business needs change, you can easily change things. You just rub it out on the whiteboard and change it. By having it all up on a whiteboard, an enterprise team can actually identify bottlenecks or integration problems, before they even happen. And that's normally really costly after the fact to go back and change code.
We are using artificial intelligence, deep learning technologies involving object detection and recognition, as well as the OCR technology, optical character recognition.
I see a real advantage of this technology with post-COVID recovery. Many businesses have remained traditional and it's been very hard for them to adopt technology because of the cost associated with coding and getting the right supply chain partners and vendors on board. This technology will enable very lean teams to be able to develop software and enable SMEs to really be at the forefront of digital transformation in a really cost-effective manner.
Artificial intelligence on its own is not a silver bullet, but it is a formidable tool in your toolkit when used the right way. What we've got to do is focus on having the applications that we build, let the bots do the heavy lifting, and the humans can focus on the creative, strategic and architectural parts of the application.
By enabling a codebot to have sight, you can have the bot actually participate in live meetings and gain a lot of benefits from that. There are other sensors that are available beyond sight that might be coming up soon in other projects.